Now friends, we would like to solve the example of the Fourier series for discontinuous function. Here in this example, the value of fx is 0 in the interval -5 to 0 and the value of fx is 3 in the interval 0 to 5. The Fourier series of fx with period to L is equal to 10 is given by, we know the formula, fx is equal to a0 by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos n by x upon L. What is the value of L? The value of L is 5. Therefore, here we can write directly 5 also. Plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity bn sin n by x upon L. Now, first we would like to find the value of a0. The a0 is equal to the formula 1 upon L integration -5 to 5 fx dx. Now here the function is discontinuous at the point 0, therefore equal to 1 upon 5 integration -5 to 0 plus 0 to 5. The value of the function from -5 to 0 is 0 and the value of the function in the interval 0 to 5 is 3. Simplify, that is 1 upon 5, integral of 0 is 0 plus 3 times x. Its limit is 0 to 5. Means first put x is equal to 5 minus x is equal to 0. That means here finally the answer is 3. A0 is equal to 3. Now we want to find the value of an. An is equal to 1 upon L, that means 5 integration -5 to 0. It is discontinuous at the point 0 plus 0 to 5. Okay. The value of the function from -5 to 0 is 0 and 0 into anything it is 0. Integral of 0 is again it is 0 and in 0 to 5 the function value is 3 into cos n by x upon L, that is 5 dx. Solve this integral, that is 1 upon 5, 3 outside, integration of cos is sin n by x upon 5 upon derivative n by x upon 5. This 5 is going here. Limit is 0 to 5. First put n is equal to, x is equal to 5. 5 cancel. Sin n pi. Sin n pi is always 0. Also sin 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, the value of this is 0. Okay. Now find Bn. Bn is equal to 1 upon L. L means 5. Integration -5 to 0. No need to calculate this part because here in this interval the function value is 0 plus 0 to 5 in this interval the value of the function is 3 sine n pi x upon L, that means 5 dx, equal to 1 upon 5, 3 outside. The integration of sine is minus cos n pi x upon 5 upon derivative n pi x upon 5 is going here, therefore 1 into 5, it is 5. The limit is 0 to 5. 5 cancel, minus 3 upon n pi outside. Here the derivative of x is 1, therefore simply n pi. Okay, in above also, let us see, the derivative is upon derivative is n pi, because derivative of x is 1. Putting the value, x is equal to 5, 5 cancel, cos n pi. The value of cos n pi is minus 1 raised to n. Minus cos 0 is 1. Okay, here the reason, cos 0 is equal to 1 and cos n pi is minus 1 raised to n. This is the value of Bn. Here there are two parts. If n is even, then what happens? If n is odd, then what happens? If n is even, that is 1 minus 1, it is 0. Here reason is n is even. And n is odd, its value is minus 1, that means minus 2. Minus minus plus, 2 3s are 6, 6 upon n pi, if n is odd. Finally, substitute all the value of a0, an and bn in the Fourier series expansion formula. Fx is equal to a0 by 2. What is the value of a0? It is 3. Value of an, it is 0. Okay, therefore here 3 by 2 plus, no need to write n is equal to 1 to infinity, bn. Bn means if n is even, then it is 0. N is odd, then the value is 6 upon n pi sine n pi x upon 5 equal to 3 by 2 plus, put n is equal to 1, 6 upon pi outside, n is 1, that means sine pi x upon 5 whole upon 1 plus, no need to write n is even number because we already simplified. Here for n is odd, taking only odd value. N is equal to 3, n is 3, that means sine 3 pi x upon 5 whole upon 3 dot dot dot. This is the Fourier series expansion of the discontinuous periodic function. Okay, thank you.
If you want to learn some more topics in mathematics, then please comment us. If you like this video, then like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.